हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम सोच रहे होंगे कि ये क्या चल रहा है। आज हम आ चुके हैं पेपा पिग के पार्टी में, जिसमें कि हम करने वाले बहुत सारी एक्टिविटीज, प्लस हम बाय करने वाले हैं न्यू टॉयज।
Art workshop, empty plastic bottle. Okay, so first of all, everyone will take your water bottles. Paper? No?
जैसे कि आपने वीडियो के स्टार्ट में देखा कि हम एक प्लास्टिक वाटर बॉटल से बनाने वाले हैं एक एरोप्लेन।
Request, please step back everyone. Please step back, parents, please. Paper sheets which you have, the glitter papers. Those are sticky glitter papers. Stick it onto your water bottle like this. Roll it onto your water bottle. Stick it onto your water bottle. Cover your water bottles like this.
हमें इस एक्टिविटी में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है और हमें इस एक्टिविटी से यह समझ में आ गया है हाउ टू मेक बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट। एकदम से तारे जमीन पर की फीलिंग आ रही है।
After drawing the wings and tails, you can cut it, but don't cut it by yourself. My volunteers are going to give you scissors and glue sticks. Take the help of your parents for cutting the wings.
May I help you? No, Chiku. I have to deal with the scissors, so it's very sharp. It might hurt you.
Everyone, take a look. You have to make a fan like this on the cardboard and on the chart paper as well.
As per as the instruction, we are making an aeroplane and the kids are enjoying this very much. Wow, here is my aeroplane. Can you believe it? It is made up of plastic empty water bottle. See the happy faces. Aeroplane क्यों up? This is a Peppa Pig puzzle. Me and Vansh trying to join it. Join. There was another activity in which we have to stick small colorful stickers to make a beautiful picture. Small circle, stick. This is another coloring activity. Color. Wee, zoom. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe.